What if I told you that strangers decide who you are in just 7 seconds? Before you say a single word, their brain has already formed a powerful judgment. This is the science of first impressions, and it shapes your life more than you think. Welcome to Mind Atlas, where we explore the hidden patterns of human behavior. Our brains are wired to make snap judgments as a survival mechanism. Thousands of years ago, deciding friend or foe quickly could save your life. Today, that same instinct fires the moment you meet someone new. Researchers found we judge trustworthiness in as little as 1/10 of a second. And after 7 seconds, that first impression is largely locked in. So what exactly is your brain picking up on so quickly? First comes appearance, your clothing, grooming, and overall presentation. People unconsciously link a neat appearance with competence and reliability. Next is body language, which speaks louder than any words you could say. An open posture signals confidence, while crossed arms suggest you're closed off. Your handshake alone can communicate strength, warmth, or insecurity. Eye contact is one of the most powerful signals of all. Holding someone's gaze shows confidence and genuine interest in them. But avoiding eyes can make you seem nervous or even untrustworthy. Then there's your smile, a universal signal that puts others at ease. A genuine smile reaches the eyes and instantly builds connection. Your tone of voice matters too, often more than the actual words. A warm, steady voice signals calm confidence and competence. Posture also plays a huge role in how others perceive you. Standing tall with shoulders back projects authority and self-assurance. Here's the tricky part. First impressions are incredibly hard to reverse. Psychologists call this the halo effect, where one trait colors everything else. If you seem warm at first, people forgive your later mistakes. But a bad start means you'll fight an uphill battle for trust. So how can you make those 7 seconds count in your favor? Start with a genuine smile, open posture, and steady eye contact. Take a deep breath beforehand to calm your nerves and stay present. And remember, confidence comes from preparation and self-acceptance, not perfection. Master these small signals and you'll shape how the world sees you. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe and turn on notifications. See you in the next one.